Here's how to check if your phone is overheating or normal temperature. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone. Then once you're already on the settings of your phone, or you can just go ahead and move your phone along. So if you see that your phone is moving, it means that it is a normal temperature because if it overheats, you cannot actually move your phone. As you can see, there is no overheat option on the settings. So all you need to do is these steps. First is scroll down so you will see the control panel. Make sure that the Bluetooth, cellular data, and the Wi-Fi option is turned off for you to save battery and to avoid overheating. Once you do that, the next thing that you're going to do is to make sure that all the background apps will be exited. Make sure that there are no running apps already to make sure that your iPhone will have it rest. Afterwards, the last thing that you can do if it overheats is go ahead and go to the settings icon. On the settings icon, go ahead and search for the shutdown options. Once you search for the shutdown options, click on that and shut down your phone and try to reset. And then make it rest for about 5 minutes.